Don't blanch the cabbage directly. No wonder it doesn't taste as good as the ones in restaurants. Today, I will share with you the tips I learned from a chef at a five-star hotel. Using this method, the cabbage turns out crisp and not watery, and the whole family will love it. Let's get started without further ado. First, prepare a fresh cabbage picked from the market. Be sure to choose meatier cabbage as its texture is more crispy. Cut it into thin strips and massage it with your hands. Then place the cabbage in a large bowl. Add a spoonful of salt and marinate it for 5 minutes. Pickling makes the cabbage crispier, more delicious, and more flavorful. Squeeze out the excess water and set it aside. Prepare 2 pieces of pork belly. Slice them thinly, then cut them into strips slightly larger than the cabbage strips. Place the pork on a plate. Prepare several green onions, cutting them into long pieces about 1 meter in length, and set them aside. Also, chop some green onions, ginger, garlic, and dried chili. Keep these small ingredients ready. For the vermicelli, soak it in hot water beforehand. To enhance its color and flavor, add some soy sauce and a little oil, then mix it evenly. Set it aside. After 5 minutes, the cabbage will be perfectly marinated. Rinse the cabbage to remove the excess salt. Then drain the water and place it on a plate. Now, heat an iron pot and pour in a little cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the pork belly and stir-fry it on high heat. Stir-fry until the pork releases its excess oil, which enhances the flavor. Add the small ingredients you prepared earlier, then pour a spoonful of cooking wine along the edge of the pot to eliminate any fishy smell. Add half a spoonful of dark soy sauce and stir-fry evenly using an iron spatula. Next, add the cabbage and stir-fry on high heat for 1 minute to remove its excess moisture. This step ensures that the cabbage will not be watery at all. The aroma is incredible. Season the dish with soy sauce, oyster sauce, a pinch of salt, white pepper powder, and chicken essence. Add the prepared vermicelli and stir-fry on high heat for 60 seconds until all the ingredients are evenly coated and flavorful. Finally, toss in the long green onion pieces and stir-fry for 5 to 7 more times. The dish is now ready to serve. Plate it and enjoy. Using this method, you can create cabbage fried with vermicelli that is not only visually appealing but also incredibly delicious. The cabbage is crispy and flavorful, while the vermicelli adds an amazing texture. After watching this video, I believe you've learned how to make this delightful dish. That's all for today's tutorial. See you next time.